house is something which is primary. We invested in Honer, and today when I see the result, I think I'm so amazed, so happy. This gives like 10x satisfaction for any customer like us who never thought that okay, a house or the complete community can be can be so excellent. The quality, the way we are treated as a customer, I think the management is the best management I have seen. I inquired for more than 20 projects, but yeah, Honor is where I feel very happy that today I have invested. And this is not the only project I invested in the second and waiting for more to come.
I'm Manideep. So after a lot of research, going to different places and trying to find the best place to suit to stay back in this, I found that Honer Aquantis is a really best place to, in terms of the living, in terms of my children career, in terms of the amenities. I really overwhelmed to stay here. It's a great privilege to be residing in such a community which is providing all type of amenities with the top-notch quality and everything.
For the kids also.
Yeah. So especially my wife is choosing for the kids. So I wish in terms of the age, in my kid age, so many kids are all there. It's a great living being for my kid as well. I'm looking forward to the Honer Aquantis as well.